Welcome! You are watching the Auto Catalyst Market YouTube channel. Today we will review a worked-out catalytic converter labeled 5Q013-1701N 5Q0178DA. Auto Catalyst Market. Sell and buy catalytic converter at real prices. 5Q013-1701N 5Q0178DA is a ceramic catalytic converter produced in Germany and installed on 2015 to 2017 cars with gasoline engines, Audi S3, Volkswagen Arteon, Volkswagen Golf 7, and others. The task of a catalytic converter is to transform harmful engine exhaust fumes into gases neutral for the environment. A chemical reaction inside a catalytic converter is fundamental for the process. Passing through a hot catalytic converter honeycomb, the car's exhaust is neutralized by a coating of precious metals, platinum, palladium, and rhodium. As a result, more neutral fumes are exhausted in the environment. The 5Q013-1701N 5Q0178DA catalytic converter is located at the bottom of the car's exhaust system and is installed along with another one, 5Q013-1690D, 5Q0166CA. A body weighing 500 grams is found under the catalytic converter case made of heat-resisting steel with chrome. It is coated with platinum group metals, platinum, palladium, and rhodium. Also, there is a heat-resistant wool gasket between the ceramic case and the metal. It compensates for the heating and expansion of the body. Over time, the question of how to sell the old catalytic converter and what is the current price for its scrap arises. There are specific buyer companies ready to buy your old catalytic converter. To sell a scrap catalytic converter, you will need its serial number, which is stamped on the metal case. If there is no number or it has been damaged, a buyer will evaluate the price of a catalytic converter through a spectral analysis. It's important to understand that the price of the converter depends on the content of precious metals, platinum, palladium, and rhodium, as well as their value on the London Metal Exchange. Also, the price depends on the technical characteristics, the catalytic converter's condition, the service life, the presence of any damages, the fuel, the year of manufacture. The price of the used 5Q013-1701N 5Q0178DA ceramic catalytic converter was $93.83 as of February 4th, 2022. The detailed characteristics of this catalytic converter, as well as its current price as of today, can be found at the link in the description of this video. To choose the company that will accept your used catalytic converter, visit this link, autocatalystmarket.com. This is the largest catalytic converters database in the world. It contains data on tens of thousands of catalysts from all over the world. Support this video with likes and comments. Subscribe to the Auto Catalyst Market channel. Bye!